In today's digital-first world, knowing how your website performs across different devices is vital. That's where donut charts and device category analysis come into play. Donut charts, like the one here, provide a snapshot of total conversions by device category. Instantly, we can see that mobile users contribute the most, accounting for 53.46% of conversions, while tablet and desktop devices take up smaller portions. This helps businesses focus on optimizing their desktop experience. But there's more. The accompanying bar chart breaks down the number of campaigns by device. Mobile devices are targeted the most, with 64 campaigns, compared to just 23 for desktop, showing a clear push toward mobile-first strategies. The real power of this dashboard lies in how each visual interacts with others. Select a specific device category, and you'll see the data dynamically update across the entire dashboard, giving you an interactive and real-time analysis. By combining these insights, you can tailor your marketing and user experience strategies more effectively across different devices. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.